Hey guys, LTD Legend here. This admin abuse event was absolutely crazy. So much stuff spawned, just like this Lavaka that I got a bunch of traits over. Another Lavaka had spawned too in this new brainrot god. I don't know what it is, but it makes a lot of money. Then my worst nightmare spawned. I'm gonna be honest, I hope he never spawns this again, cause then I do the Matteo ritual so I can get the Los Mateos. You do it by getting 3 people to stack on top of each other with the Matteo, and it spawns. Oh, and it also got the little top hat trait, which was pretty cool. Anyways, guys, this is all the stuff I got during the event. If you want any of it, like it, follow, and I might pick you out to get one of these secrets. Thank you so much for watching, and take care.